How you doing? Dave's Garage here. Good news, we're still carbon neutral. Hey, I'm going to do a little bit of garage reorganization today, a little bit of garage Tetris, if you will. I'm going to move some of this stuff behind me over underneath the workbench. Going to put together a couple of toolboxes to make one giant toolbox and then slide all that behind me. So if you're looking to do a little bit of garage reorganization or you want to see some ideas or some cost-saving tips and tricks, stay tuned. All right, so here's a better idea of what I'm starting out with. So what I'll do is I'll get rid of everything but this top shelf. So I'll pull out those 3 bottom shelves and I'll move all this material underneath the workbench. Give me a second, I'll show that to you. There's the workbench. I want to retain that for obvious reasons. So what I'll do is try to get all that stuff underneath here. Going to take a little bit of repackaging, but I think we can do it. The cost savings tip here is to combine 2 26-inch toolboxes to support one 52-inch top toolbox. Here's the top chest toolbox. I got some new casters with foot brakes. These are going to make these toolboxes feel a lot more better. Checking in on progress, not nearly enough. All right, we're crossing the finish line here. So you might be thinking to yourself, how this idiot gets so many winches? Well, I got the same question. So if you could let me know why down in the comment section, I'd appreciate it. And you know the obvious answer that I'm stupid, that's not going to get me points. Yeah, we're just testing the tensile strength of the lumber. All right, just got to pull out that bottom shelf. We can roll in the first tool cabinet and we can finish building the second tool cabinet and roll that in there. Getting pretty excited. Good news, got the first toolbox in. Let's build the Frakenbox. Yeah! All right, I got the casters on these 2 toolboxes. I got them pulled tight here with some ratchet straps, put some plywood on the top, set the big toolbox on top of it, put a mending plate on it, top and bottom. I think we're going to be good to go. All right, let's do a little bit of welding, huh? All right, give it a little squirt, get rid of the hot metal. And yeah, we'll put some paint over that dog shit weld and we'll call her. It lives, let's get this thing home, huh? Woo-wee. Careful, careful, careful. Oh, like a glove. Fuck yeah, bud. Let's put on the foot brake and call her. She's home. All right, one more project in the bag. Hey, listen, I wanted to thank you guys for tuning in. Really appreciate you guys taking a few minutes to watch these videos. I hope you get some ideas, seeing the kind of stuff I do, because that's where I get my ideas, watching guys joke around, mess around on YouTube. Anyhow, hope you have a good rest of the week. We'll talk again soon.